Are you tired of manually managing Discord roles for your Whop members? Learn how to connect Discord to Whop in under 2 minutes. First, I'll show you how to access the connected account settings. Then, we'll link your Discord account in just a few clicks. First, log into your Whop account to get started. Then, click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, go to Settings. In Settings, click on Connected Accounts. Now, click Add next to Discord to start the connection. Click Continue in the Discord authorization window. Enter your Discord details and log in to complete the setup. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.